Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Foret Design Solutions, and just finishing my day up in Roberts, Wisconsin, and I got all the trees planted today. So, including the sunflower garden, which there's 20 sunflowers, and then I had 48 trees to put in the ground. So I got everything done today. It's absolutely crazy. My soil didn't show up till 11 o'clock, so I got all that done since 11 o'clock. But I'm gonna turn you around and take you on a walk. Tomorrow I gotta come out and mulch all the trees. And then I have to sheet mulch the fruit tree guilds, which should take me about 2 hours to do those. But the mulching will take me an hour. Just had to put a little bit on each tree. But I'm going to turn you around and take you on a little walk. Got a little thunder in the background, so I'm hoping it doesn't rain, so my mulch don't get all wet. But anyway, I'm going to turn you around here. All right, so starting here, I got that little white pine in. And then here, this is our sunflower patch. And I'm going to be seeding this out tomorrow with seed, and I got 20 in there right now. And as we walk down, oh, there's some thunder in that cloud right there. We got chokeberry and hazelnut coming up. Hazelnut. And 3 hazelnuts. Then we got 2 butternut, and they got to be far apart because of the root system. They say 30 to 60. And then we got 2 more hazelnuts on this row of trees. So I'm going to turn around. And I hope the camera's still going. It looks like it froze up. 300 feet right there. All right, in this row, we're starting with spruce. And then we go with poplar, 2 poplars. Another spruce, 2 more poplars. What do you think's coming up after this poplar? That's right, spruce. Another spruce. And now we have a couple of autumn blaze maples. 1, 2. And then we got a spruce. And then we got 2 more autumn blaze maples. And then in here we planted a pear tree and an apple tree, and then those are going to be 3 guilds I'm planting out tomorrow. They're going to be 3 12-foot diameters around each of those trees planted out. And we got spruce, poplar, poplar, spruce, poplar, poplar, river birch. We got 3 river birch, and then we got 4 maples. Here, here, here. Eventually a pond right where I'm standing. There's going to be a pond. Okay, and then we got 3 river maples, or river birch, I'm sorry. Then we got another spruce. And now we walk over to this side of the house. We added, I bet you can't guess, 1 or 2 spruce and 1 white pine. All right. Okay. There's 1 spruce, 2 spruce, white pine. And we just walked 1.93 acres around this perimeter of this property. It's a lot of walking, a lot of dragging a wheelbarrow all the way across this all day. I think it's gonna rain. I hope this video worked. If not, I have to do it again tomorrow morning. But I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning to get this finished up. And I'm beat, I'm tired, I'm sunburned. The sole of my shoe, my boot ripped off. I have it held together with duct tape right now, so I didn't have to drive 45 minutes home to change my boots. Look at that. Look, the whole sole came off all the way to the middle of it. Anyway, we'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Grow food, not lawns. Have an amazing day. See ya.